With only a couple Blue Devils out there in the offensive zone, the Lakers are able to regain possession. Cross-ice pass for Broman on a breakaway at the hash marks. Cuts in, shot. What a save by Rosen. Oh my goodness. On the backhand, and Rosen slams the door.
And Farrell comes away with it. Farrell looking for the point man, Terranova at the center point. Shot. Just saved and rebound in front, and it goes in. Robert Clare makes his presence felt in a homecoming as he nets one against his former team.
Mac Lewis still there as well as Jody Sullivan picks it up. Back for Vance at the point, hesitates, fakes a shot, fires one again, and Rosen makes the glove save and then pounces on the rebound with 5:05 remaining. And Luke, this is a kid in Rosen who's a senior, and he's been so impressive this season especially. He only played a handful of games heading into this year, maybe about 20, 25, but this season he's been nothing but stellar.
Yeah, he has been, of course.
And the Lakers look to go the other way with it now. Antonucci up to Broman, just staying on side is Emerson. Broman, shot, scores! Travis Broman with a beauty, and the Lakers take a 3-0 lead.
Vance loses it, shot just goes wide off the stick of Jacob Haynes. Riche in good position to make the save if he had to, and now a spring the other way from Molinaro. He's got Sullivan with him as well. Allen the trailer to Allen, shot, scores! Carter Allen, and the Lakers take a 1-0 lead.
Brown with it now, battling on the boards. Looks like there's DeCarlo there as well. Broman pries it out, gets it back to McMillan, has some space, over to Novick. Hesitates, back over Broman, shot, save, rebound out in front, just cleared by Hallis. The Lakers have another chance. Molinaro got a chance for a breakaway. Fletcher behind him, holds up, shot, scores! Joey Molinaro goes 5-hole, and the Lakers put this one well out of reach. Molinaro wins that one once more, but Ethan Clark picks it up and will fire it in on Cedric Hansen. The puck just goes wide as the penalty expires. Robert Clare on the puck for Potsdam, and he'll work it way back to Terranova. Shot just goes wide off the backboards. Calling for it is Tyler Young, but he can't quite find it until his scoring opportunity was no more, as Molinaro knocks him down, and Fletcher picks up the puck coming out of the box. Fletcher couldn't quite get it out of the zone until McMillan was able to do so, as Tanner Spink picks it up back out in front. An awkward bounce, and Molinaro gets a chance and just goes wide. Colin Fletcher with the wraparound, and a good job by Ethan Clark to clear that one away from the danger zone. Back in front, another chance. Molinaro in all alone, has a chance one more, and it somehow does not score it in. Spink again. The puck on top of the net, and the Potsdam Bears sloppy in their own zone, but they avoid a goal against.
Yeah, it looks like at the end of that play, Pegluka was all the way out of the goal, but two defenders in the crease for Potsdam on the doorstep. Looked like Molinaro had a chance. Looked like there were a lot of chances there for Oswego State, but unable to capitalize, and that's one that you want to hammer home, make this a 3-goal lead.
It looked like it was caught between Pegluka's skates, couldn't quite find it, couldn't drop down into that butterfly. But for the Potsdam Bears, you're counting your blessings after numerous chances here on this opportunity for the Lakers on that shift. But instead they'll send out their top unit as Derek Brown goes to work below the goal line. Travis Broman joins him, and he'll work it out for Jeff Soul on the off wall, and he just can't quite keep it in there as he was more at center point to start the play. So Tyler Curry has to battle alongside Michael MacArthur, who's harassing him on the forecheck. Knocked down is Tyler Curry. MacArthur takes a spill as well, but Jeff Soul comes with it, and rather that was Vincent Guyman who fell down. And back the other way with it was Potsdam just firing it in to go off for a small line change. Tyler Curry still out there after the fall, and he'll look to make something happen. Shanks on it, and Brett Horn's got a chance, but he can't quite corral it as he takes to the half wall. Back for the point, shot. Deflected last second, but a good job by Hansen to positionally make that save. Broman in on the defensive effort and steals the puck away and just gets it past the blue line.
Yeah, it looked like Horn was just as surprised as Curry as he kind of fanned on that pass and wasn't in a good position, but if Horn was in a good spot, that would have been an easy one-on-one opportunity going against Hansen.
Richardson gets it for Horn once more, but Sullivan knocks him into the boards, and Molinaro has a chance here, but he can't quite keep his skates with it, but Sullivan enters the zone. Puck squirts out to Molinaro for Passero, back out in front, shot, and it goes in! Jody Sullivan on the doorstep, and the Lakers take a 4-1 lead.
A lot of funky bounces in this game so far, and that time a great job by Jody Sullivan controlling the puck. It was Molinaro also in front of the net there, and you know, you put the puck to the net and sometimes weird things happen, and sometimes those weird things are good. We're going to take a look here on the replay as the Lakers, a good job here going defense into offense, tipped in front of the net, and somehow, someway, a nifty little shot there by Passero, and Jody Sullivan taps it home. And Pagliuca wants that one back as the Lakers now a 3-goal lead, and this game has turned completely on its head in the first 4 minutes of this last period.
Yeah, whatever Coach Gosick was saying in the locker room has done wonders for this team, as this might be the best period they've had all season so far, Luke.
Yeah, crazy to think that the third period, usually the tough period for the Lakers, and they've come out firing early. They kind of want to kill that narrative.
And Sullivan works his way over to Carter Allen, but a bouncing puck jumps over his stick. Carson Vance will reset here as they evade before checking the Potsdam Bears. Venter finds his puck over to Alfieri, and they can't corral it on a rush, so they'll have to punch it in just to the blue line as Carter Allen lays down his man. And we're sorry here at TOP as our scoreboard is currently facing some technical difficulties as Zizek collides into the boards. Both him and Leaf slow to get up as they're tangled behind the play. Nonetheless, Potsdam going the other way with it now. Soazo trying to make something happen, but a good job by Vance to tie up his stick.
Yeah, a little bit sloppy here for Potsdam. Almost looked like they were going to take a bad penalty there on Zizek. No call, though, so good job staying safe, but you got to avoid those penalties. Sorry, Matt.
So that was a shot just going wide from Tyler Young. And instead, Joseph Richardson punches it back in deep from the point. Back out for Richardson, but Soazo will take it away instead. Vance jumping on that, can't quite get it past Young as the two will collide into the boards. Carter Allen there as well as LeBlanc. But coming away with it now is Claire, the former Laker, who already has a goal of his own. That lone goal for the Potsdam Bears on the power play. Carter Allen losing the puck behind his own net. Back out for the point to Terranova. Back out for Joe Richardson, can't get a puck on net, but instead a good job by Claire to maintain possession as the Potsdam Bears get extended zone time for the first time in this third period.
Yeah, really good job there by Josh LeBlanc. He's had a couple really good defensive plays so far this game.
Fletcher gets an edge on Terranova, but can't quite cut to the net, so he'll leave for Scorpio at the half wall. Scorpio can't quite get it back, and Panzika will look to go the other way with it now. Panzika and Farrell one-on-one, or two-on-two, And Fletcher's got a chance if he can get up in a hurry, but a great effort by Brett Horn. No call there, and the Lakers bench is not happy about that.
They're not happy about it. I think that was a clean hit, though, by Brett Horn, and a really good job to really even get to that spot in the first place.
Jeff Solo passed that one over to Spink to avoid the Brett Horn forecheck, but instead there's a board battle along the half wall. Brett Horn trying to come away with it, can't quite get it, and instead Tanner Spink looks to edge it ahead. Jeff Solo can't find that one until Panzika and Kelnick will battle along the boards as the puck squirts over to Fletcher on the other side of the ice. Flinging it back around for Pelnick, can't quite corral it just yet. And he'll get it over to Spink as they can finally exit the zone, are the Oswego State Lakers. Michael Gillespie with it now as he slows in. Cuts towards the center of the net. For Emerson, shot, save, and no rebound by Pagliuca.